Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see who likes your YouTube video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as of 2024, YouTube does not allow you to see exactly who liked your videos. So the platform prioritizes users' privacy. So while you can see the total number of likes, you cannot view the individual users who like. So on each video, you will see the number of likes publicly displayed beneath the videos, unless it is hidden. So to go through the analytics, you can simply go to the YouTube Studio, navigate to content, and then see the engagement tab where you can see total likes, like to dislike ratio, engagement trends, but you cannot particularly see who liked your video. So I hope this video makes you clear that how you can see, or if you can see or not, that who has liked your YouTube video. And this was all it. I hope you liked the video. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.